Hey everyone, got a interesting problem with our fence here in the backyard. Due to its age and the weather and stuff over the years, and the people who built it using nails instead of screws, it's just kind of like worked itself free. So what I'm going to do is, because I can't get on the other side of this fence, I'm actually going to lash this whole thing together by going around this piece, and that piece, going through the cracks in between here, and basically snugging up a piece of paracord that's going to go around here and around here, two laps around basically, and it's going to go through a block of wood that I'm going to screw in here. And that block of wood, I'm going to be able to turn it once the paracord is tied around, and by turning it, it'll be kind of like a tourniquet. And then once I've got it nice and tight, I'm going to drive another screw through it that will keep it from turning back. So I'll show you the parts that I've got prepared here. So I'm going to be using my trusty rigid screwdriver. Got to get that hammer to get those nails out of there. Got my paracord, my lighter to fuse the end of that once it's been cut. Here's my special board. And what I've done here is I drilled 4 holes for the that go all the way through. That's for the paracord. And then I have a hole here that goes about halfway through. And what that's going to do is going to give me a pivot point. I'm going to drive this screw in there. And you see it's actually got this smooth part of the shaft here that's going to allow me to spin the board around this. And then this guy here, piece of electrical conduit, drilled that hole there with a spade bit. This just goes right in there. I'm going to use this as a lever to give me the mechanical advantage necessary to really get it nice and tight. So I think this is going to go pretty well. We'll see how this goes. Okay, well, here we are, and as you can see, I've got this board fastened here. It pivots on its screw, and I think honestly it's probably only going to take half a turn once I've got it cinched up here. And basically I'll just turn this thing vertical and then put an additional screw in, probably here, I don't know, maybe one down here too, and basically that's gonna do it. Eventually I will probably untie that knot there and actually tie it to, I'll probably do a figure 8 bend, and basically put these two ends together right across the middle there, and yeah, that ought to do it. So I'm gonna go inside and get warmed up. It is really cold out here. Okay, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a deck screw here, and I'm gonna be putting that in right up there. Got this is my conduit here. I'm using that for mechanical advantage. Basically, I'll just straighten it out like that, and okay, there we go. Oh, ready to put this thing in for good. There we go. That's nice and snug. And one more for good measure. Put that bad boy in there. And that's all she wrote. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It is finished. Ended up going with a square knot rather than a figure 8s, because I couldn't remember how to tie the figure 8s. My fingers were freezing. So, and just like I was saying, I got like a quarter turn, and that was all I could get. It was very tight fit. So yeah, this thing's I'd imagine this will probably stay up for the rest of the life of this fence. I may come back and get this duct tape off of here. I had that on there for the so that just in case this in case this guy was too much force for the I didn't want it to split the wood. So all right, that's it.